Hello. Thank you. I don't know what the plan is today. Wow. No, he's actually hiding the whole. Now we actually put shots in him as well. It's a bit nicer. Get off clip there. You're holding both people. Yeah. Wow. Wow. Like that there. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and peace.